Welcome to A&M Education, College of Creativity and Technology. In this session, we will discuss about the topic keywords and identifiers and constants and variables. Character set. The characters that can be used to form words, numbers and expressions depend upon the computer on which the program is run. The characters in C are grouped into the following categories. First one, letters. Second, digits. Third one, special characters. Fourth one, white spaces. The compiler ignores white spaces unless they are part of a string constant. White spaces may be used to separate words, but are prohibited between the characters of keywords and identifiers. Trigraph characters. ANSYS introduces the concept of trigraph sequences to provide a way to enter certain characters that are not available on some keyboards. Each trigraph sequence consists of 3 characters, 2 question marks followed by another character. Here there is a list of trigraph sequence and the translations. C tokens. In a passage of text, individual words and punctuation marks are called tokens. Similarly, in a C program, the smallest individual units are known as C tokens. C has 6 types of tokens. C programs are written using these tokens and the syntax of the language. The C tokens are keyword, example, void int. Identifier, main and amount are the example. Constant, example 65:11.7.
String, that is represented in double quotes.
Special symbols and hash, dollar and so on. Operator, plus, minus, multiplication, division and so on. Keywords. Keywords are predefined, reserved words used in programming that have special meanings to the compiler. All keywords have fixed meanings and these meanings cannot be changed. Keywords serve as basic building blocks for program statements. All keywords must be written in lowercase. The 32 keywords used in C programming. Some are auto, break, case, char, const, continue, default, do and so on. Identifiers. Identifiers refer to the names of variables, functions and arrays. These are user-defined names and consist of a sequence of letters and digits with the letter as the first character. Both uppercase and lowercase letters are permitted, although lowercase letters are commonly used. The underscore character is also permitted in identifiers. It is usually used as a link between two words in long identifiers. Rules for identifiers. First character must be an alphabet or underscore. Next one, must consist of only letters, digits or underscore. Next, only first 31 characters are significant. Next one, cannot use a keyword. Next one, must not contain white space. Difference between keyword and identifier. First one, Keywords are predefined word that gets reserved for working programs that have special meaning and cannot get used anywhere else. Identifiers are the values used to define different programming items such as variables, integers, structures, unions and others, and mostly have an alphabetic character. Second one, keywords specify the type or kind of entity. Identifier identify the name of a particular entity. Third one, keyword always starts with a lowercase letter. Identifier first character can be a uppercase, lowercase letter or underscore. Fourth one, a keyword should be in lowercase. An identifier can be in uppercase or lowercase. Fifth one, a keyword contains only alphabetical characters. An identifier can consist of alphabetical characters, digits and underscores. Sixth one, they help to identify a specific property that exists within a computer language. Identifier, they help to locate the name of the entity that gets defined along with the keyword. Seventh one, in keyword, there is no special symbol or punctuation is used. In identifier, no punctuation or special symbol except underscore is used. Eighth one, examples of keywords are int, char, if, while, do, class, etc. Examples of identifiers are test, count1, high underscore speed, etc. Constants. Constants in C refer to fixed values that do not change during the execution of a program. C supports several types of constants. They are numeric constants. Under numeric constants, we have integer constant and real constant. And the second constant is character constant. Under character constant, we have character constant and string constant.